Since then, the island has been free. I never agree when people say that Christopher Columbus discovered the island. I just consider Christopher Columbus the very first tourist visiting my island. We have in the island 250 different types of palm trees growing. 17 are native to the island. We get 3 of those 250 that people call it coconut palm. The 2 tallest, African palm tall and Jamaican. The smallest, we call them Malaysian. So no problem for me to pick the coconut on the ground, very close to the ground. But the 2 tallest, up to 20 to 30% from that surface. That providing children uniform and books. We got school on this side, the North Puerto Plata, Northwest, and La Romana, Samana on that side too. So that already 17 schools, this company providing these kids uniform and books. When people bring in something for the children, we take it to the school as well. Once a month, they're all collected, they deliver between that 17 schools that we running in the island with those uniform and books. Then after Maria, we're gonna take it to the area to tell about shoes.
But I'm on data. Like if I sell data.
Sofía, espera, mami. Espérame.
Hi.
Hola.
Not edible. Well, you can eat it, but you don't know what is coming later. They get a really strong problem with diarrhea or vomiting. They can even kill a child, even eating a PS4. So when they clean it for making balls or maracas, they make sure they put the flesh very far away from kids. Follow me. So this one, that's one of those green bananas you see already. And yesterday I discovered the meaning of banana.
Hello.
That's a Latin word. Banana means honey. People have to come and pick them off. You see how they look when fresh. Later they let it sit for 8 days in the sun to get rid of the flesh and drying out. That flesh, some families they made their own wine and vinegar. Mostly very close to mango. Don't chew it, just suck on it. And most of the people are wrong about the color of chocolate. A lot of the people think it's white, another think it's brown, the original color. Those are processed color, natural of course. The original color chocolate, purple. And that's even more bitter than after you get it roasted. 5 years ago, I got with me some of the stuff from M&M's, including the owner. And she told me the reason why they will never make purple M&M's is to respect the original color of the chocolate. Okay? So we can do any other color. And if you want to see the color, sorry.
Smarties are person. They make purples.
There you go. So you chew it, swallow, then with the time, helping reducing high cholesterol. If you don't get the beans, you can go and get the dark chocolate, 1 teaspoon the same for high cholesterol. Chocolate normally carries a lot of oil. Like I told you, they get that oil for making the white chocolate. When you just grind, they come out very moist. Sometimes some more they look like a paste. So this family, dame una de la chocolate, de la barra, sí. This family, they compact it, they make even chocolate bar or chocolate balls. So anytime they need it, they grate it. But in 1 hour, when you compact it 1 hour later, it gets hard like a rock. You can even kill somebody hitting it hard with big chocolate ball on their head. So when they make homemade chocolate bar for some big stores, they mix it with raw sugar and cinnamon. And after compacting, they wrap it as quick as they can in wax paper and keep it moist, keep it soft. Otherwise, 1 hour hard. They never get dissolved when you press it in the heat. Y que va y un muchacho
Por ahí María se va.
en la mata de aguacate
Por ahí María se va.
y la noche la pasaba
Por ahí María se va.
de la vacinilla al catre. For about 1 hour, esa es mi nueva producción. Where most of the countryside people, they made the coffee. Can you little closer to the picture? So they boil it, they get the powder in it, they put water. The first coffee always for the adult, the second or the third weaker for kids. That's when normally get hot chocolate for breakfast with bread. Sometimes no chocolate, but they give a weak coffee with bread for breakfast. Chocolate we do it in water mostly, because that gives you energy for the day. When you take a cup of hot chocolate in milk made, with the time, or in the morning, sorry, with nothing in it, can give you stomach ache, or even diarrhea. Never in water when you take it. At night time, some people take it with me, but in the morning, always in water. Thank you. So that's cloth made to the strain of A1. The wider the color of the ashes is, the best is the quality. This brand of cigar, any Dominican brand, they carry 5 different types of tobacco leaf from the 6 that we grow in the island. And why not the 6? Because 2 of them going for finishing outside, they going separate. Those 6, they've been grown here. Since they started bringing first time the seed to this island. Taínos brought the first time, later they imported the seed, 2 from Cuba, 1 from Indonesia, 1 from Cameroon, Africa, and the other one. So they call it the tribes. All of the first wrapping, all of the first wrapping will be the one from Indonesia. Always. And the outside, Cameroon or Connecticut. That's the first part. Before that we used to be made or rolled, on the table, on the thighs, but they have no control. Cigars come in too loose, sometimes too tight. And besides that, rolling it with this, they get more of the speed. So big cigar factories everywhere, now they're doing it with this, so they get the speed. 7 hours, these guys in Prospero, whenever they're using them for cigars. Because 75% of the nicotine from that leaf is coming in here. So when they take this up, there will be 15 to 20% remaining on that leaf. So when they finish the cigar, people are not supposed to inhale the smoke. That's the reason why you don't take nicotine when you're smoking cigar. You hold it for a while, put it away. It's not as a habit. Cigar is more for socialize. So with a nice drink all the time, cognac, brandy, wine, even better, Mama Juana. Okay? Or you know, Mama Juana. So this is being used on the last 25 years for cigarette. Not much of the legal cigarette anymore, the vape. With chemicals on it, it makes in one cigarette already 8 times more nicotine than one cigar. Now they're gonna shape the leaf, make it more narrow to roll it easier in here. What he's adding to that now is a sweet glue. That sweet glue is the last 10% after processing the rum from molasses. Carries a little bit of the sweet taste just for closing the end of the cigar. That's why some people, when they sample for first time, they want to buy sweet cigar. But the only sweet part of the cigar is the end after being closed with it. Now from Churchill size, that's the longest size they make here, they call it Churchill. They turn it smaller after cutting it, but they keep it here, export. Later people with big money, owning big cigar shop, they're importing them back. That's how they can get back here. They never made here to sell it here, they're exporting only. So this Cohiba, Cuba, or Habana on the ring, they're either made from the waste, most of the time banana leaf is made. So when you like this, it's a big flame.